Welcome to the topic of definite integrals. In this lesson, we will delve into the fundamental concepts that underlie this mathematical operation. Let's embark on this journey of exploration together. A definite integral signifies a specific numerical value representing the area enclosed by a function's curve within a defined interval on the x-axis. This integral is a crucial tool in calculus for calculating areas and accumulated quantities. The integrand within the integral symbol is the core function being analyzed and integrated. It is the heart of the operation, dictating the behavior and outcome of the integral calculation. Moving forward, let's discuss the significance of the limits of integration. These boundaries establish the range over which the integration process occurs, essential for precise area calculations under the curve. Now consider the variable of integration, which defines the perspective from which the function is being considered during integration. This variable plays a pivotal role in understanding and solving definite integrals effectively. Exploring further, it's vital to grasp how adjusting the limits alters the integral's result. Changing these boundaries directly impacts the domain over which the accumulated area is computed, showcasing the dynamic nature of definite integrals. Moreover, the flexibility of using different variables to express the same integral introduces a unique aspect of mathematical representation that transcends variable names while preserving the underlying numerical operation. Let's now synthesize these concepts through a step-by-step example problem, demonstrating how the integrand, limits of integration, and the variable of integration collectively contribute to solving a definite integral accurately. Summarizing our exploration, remember, the integrand embodies the function, the limits of integration confine the analysis to a specific range, and the variable of integration defines the perspective of the integration process, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of definite integrals. As we conclude this enlightening journey through the realm of definite integrals, we extend our sincerest gratitude for joining us in this educational experience. We trust you've gained valuable insights and are better equipped to navigate the intricacies of integral calculus.